Hi, third graders, and welcome to the last week of school. We wanted to give you something fun and exciting to do for your last 3 days, so we're going to be working on this end of year choice board. As you can see, you have 6 things that you can do and pick from. You can either present it to yourself and use the links, or you can go through it normally like you would any other slideshow. So we're going to start with the top 10 list. And this is a list of 10 memories that you had this school year. They can include lessons at school, times with friends, in the classroom, events, even the distance learning that we've done. And you can either create a picture here or you can write something in and then write a caption for it. If you want, you can ask your parents to see if they have any pictures from this year, maybe from your holiday party or field day, something along those lines. And I mean the field day at the beginning of the year, and something along those lines. And then you can actually go and upload pictures. So if you click Insert Image, Upload from your computer, you can find pictures on your computer, or you can search the web if there was something that you wanted to post on there, and you could put a picture in and create a caption. So that's the top 10 list. Next, we have hashtags. So you're going to create hashtags for events that happened through this year. So this one should be a hashtag about a friendship. This one should be a hashtag about a hobby, hashtag about a funny memory. So all you do is you're just going to click and delete what they have, and then up to the hashtag, which is this number sign, and then you're going to put the time I accidentally spilled my milk at lunch or something like that that's funny for you. Okay, so each one you can do. And then if we scroll down, the next one is summer bucket list. So this is a bucket list is a number of experiences or achievements that a person hopes to have or accomplish. So you're going to record 5 things that you want to achieve over the summer. Okay, and I'm sure that you have some ideas because we've been indoors for so long. So it might just be something fun like getting to see my friends at their birthday party. Okay, so you're going to come up with 5 bucket list items. The next one is a letter to your future self. I think this one's really cool. So you're going to create a letter to yourself for in the fall. So you're writing it now to tell yourself something in the fall. So you're going to include 1 lesson you learned this year, 3 pieces of advice for next school year, and 1 thing you always want to remember. Okay? So it has the format for you here, which is nice. So you can click on today's date, enter the date in, dear, and you write your name, and then the body of the letter. So it says, remember to include 1 lesson you learned, 3 pieces of advice, and 1 thing you want to remember. And then it says down here, wishing you the best year ever, your name again. Okay, so you're writing to yourself about when you start 4th grade. All right, then you have a classmate word search. Okay, your teachers are going to be going through and adding all of your classmates' names in here. So when you click on this slide, you'll see their names. What you're going to do is you're going to enter it into the word search. Okay, so you're going to have to create a word search with your classmates' names. I put my students' first and last names. You don't have to use both the first and last name. You can use only the first name if you want, and that should be fun to try and figure out. Okay, and then the last thing to do is called a rebus story. So a rebus story is a short story that uses words and pictures that stand for words, okay? So this is an example of a sentence. I jumped when the school, this would be a bell, rang, okay? So you write the story, and instead of using some words, you insert pictures for those. So you're going to create a quick story about an event that happened this year, and you can use images instead of words. So you can click here to write your story, okay? And then when you need to click insert images, you go to insert image, and then you can search the web for those images, okay? So this is going to be available to you from Monday through Wednesday. This is not something that you have to turn in to your teachers. This is not something that's going to be graded. It's a choice for you to do for the last 3 days of school, and we hope you take advantage of it and have fun.